They are the best in the field. There's no doubt about it. No one comes close to what they can do. We chose Just Autos because they specialise in Toyotas, like we do, and we want to offer our customers the best in the West. No one was doing quality tunes in WA, tried a few places and they didn't hit the mark, and we couldn't offer that full package for our customers.
The tuning world has a pretty big reputation of just getting big figures, big numbers, where you want more reliability. Just Autos gives you best of both worlds with getting good numbers but staying under that reliable side.
They put a lot of R&D and development into their products before it's released for reliability.
When you're looking at Toyotas or you're looking at getting any work done in the tuning side of things, everyone knows their name. Everyone knows it. So I'd say the main reason you need the Just Autos gear in your vehicle when you're towing heavy, especially when you go up north is a lot hotter. So the Just Auto gear is going to help with your temperatures, just help with everything overall.
With any vehicle or anything that's mechanical, when you start to add load, you create heat, and especially if you jump in an area like this where today it's at 38 degrees, and one can only imagine the temperature once you get up near the Pilbara, it's going to be extremely hot up there. So heat management is really important in anything that you are going to be towing with, making sure that you can contain those heats and stop them from rising. And that's something that we invest a lot of time and effort to understanding that, and also providing products that help reduce some of that heat.
The normal package is pretty much your heat exchanger, intake pipe, airbox, exhaust systems depending on which ones they want to go with, and then the multi-map. A lot of people use it for the tow modes where you can go through single turbo mode, twin turbo mode, and then also have that reliability where they can chuck it in performance mode, drive it how they want to, you still get your daily driving out of it, and it just runs amazingly.
There's not much we don't stock. 70 series 300s, Prados a lot. So we have it in stock in WA to minimise downtime for customers and better offer them a great product. And we can offer the same quality service that they do out of Just Autos HQ.
We want the customer to experience the same service through Hunter or any of our distributors as they would through Just Autos.
So Hunter Mechanical started 11 years ago up in Karratha, and we've been down in Perth for about 5 years now. And we have Kenwick and Rockingham. We started off as a general mechanical workshop, and then we've gone into full drive accessories and moved in from there. 300's our market that we sort of specialise in, and teaming up with Just Autos and J-Max is our go-to.
Our relationship with Hunter actually go back before they were a distributor. I had some dealings with Jason in the earlier days with doing some of their cars, and it was something that he wanted to provide to the people over here in WA. And it wasn't until we had EasyTune fully developed and we had our distributor network starting to be set up, it was a perfect opportunity for them to come on board and really sort of target the market over here and do really well at it.
When a customer first comes back after road testing their vehicle for the first time, the excitement from like their new car, how different it drives and the performance, and it's usually all positive. They're really happy with the performance.
They're filled with so much joy, and I think that that's a fantastic thing.
I feel like we have a real exciting future with Just Autos and growing the brand together in WA, offering it to more Perth and WA customers.
For the customers that are looking for a bit more in their vehicle, I back Just Autos no matter what with all their products.
If you're serious about performance and reliability in your Toyota, Hunter's got you covered over the West Coast.